What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video I'm going to give you an update about the AgroFunds, how AgroFunds is doing. Guys, this thing still up and running 413 days after, okay, since the launch, still up and running, still doing its thing, okay, and the total visitors, total users, total deposits, the total withdrawals keeps on growing. So if you go back to my first video, probably 10, 11 days ago, you'll be able to see that all these numbers were less, okay, were lower than they are right now. Okay, so that means this project is still up and running, still doing its thing, and I'm happy with it. That's why I'm gonna go back in, because after 10 days, your principal is returned, and then if you wanna continue to earn rewards, you gotta go back in. That's what I'm gonna do right now. So let me log in real quick. And here we are. Okay, so let's go for another deposit. So you come over here, new deposit. So you hit new deposit. And then you select the amount that you want to deposit. So in my case, I'll go for 500. And I'm going to select the spend from payment system. Okay, so USDT TRC20, okay, because as you can see right here, I have no balance and no active deposits, okay, so let's go over to deposits, USDT TRC20, and then we're gonna hit deposit, okay, so now we are going to copy this address, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my centralized exchange and send 500 to this account. Okay, so once I do that, I click confirm, done, and then a few minutes later, the money will be in my wallet. Okay, and then once you make the payment, you click done. Okay, and then you come over here to history operations, and we can see that my 500 deposit just made now, okay, it's pending, and it takes a few minutes, okay, so a few minutes to a few hours, depends on how congested is the network. And then once it's approved, okay, I'll be up and running for another 10 days, and then from those 10 days I'll be earning 6% from my investment. And essentially that's that, guys. The project's still doing its thing, so I cannot complain. All right, so if you want to join this project under my referral link, I will much appreciate your commission. But if not, no problem. Anyway, I'm just here to share my crypto journey with y'all. Okay, that being said, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Stay tuned in, because in about 4 or 5 days I'll come over here and give you another update about the project. That being said, stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.